Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix YouTube. This content is not available. Try again later problem in YouTube application. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Long press or long tap in YouTube application. Go to apps info. Click on storage. Again click on clear data. Tap on clear cache data. Step 2. Open Play Store. Go to search. Search YouTube app. Update your YouTube application latest version. Step 3. Open your phone setting. Go to Wi-Fi. You make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is properly connected. Step 4. Again open your YouTube application. You can follow all of the steps to fix. This content is not available. Try again later problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.